Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's JASMY video update for Sunday 19th of June. Now there's one thing that I just want to lay out, and so many people are wondering what's JASMY actually going to do. But before I actually tell you that, I just want to dive into the smaller time frames and look at what is going on the smaller time frame. It's been a while. I've been rolling out videos for JASMY. All right. So technically speaking, you've already lost the 0.618. You did came down here to 8070, and I gave you this technical target in the previous videos that there was a descending triangle. Boom, you're going to come down here. But basically what I'm looking for is Jasmine to still drop down to the 1.618, which is the 5434 of the fib retracement, number one. Okay, number two is I just want to dive into the monthly time frame and tell you something very scary. Okay, and I've talked about this one before, but probably you need to understand that Jasmine made a bear flag, went down like this, made a bear flag like that one, and you broke out of the bear flag. So here we go. So from the top here to the bottom, and that takes you all the way down to nearly this price 1766, and that's going to be a huge drop from there to there. Like 80% drop is still pending. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.